Kurt Mayabb wears many hats.
Everybody's happy. They get it. They know that I've got 10 irons in the fire.
A farmer, food truck owner, cook, and the mayor of Piedmont.
The first day they find out, they sure let me know how they feel about the roads or, different stuff. But we're all happy here. I mean, it's a good community.
No matter how you feel about politics, though, the visitors to Rockin M Meats all agree on one thing.
Local, it's fresh meat, it's good, it's something that you can't get anywhere else.
Well, it's definitely quality. I can eat more of it. I want more of it.
Kurt breeds and raises the cattle for his beef at his Piedmont farm.
I'm very limited on my feed that I use. I want things to be more natural.
He first started the trailer to sell his frozen beef to the public.
Now I've got a ribeye sandwich coming at you.
Then decided to open up the cafe inside to give customers a taste of what they're getting.
The ribeye steak sandwich is the #1 seller.
You can see why. It's a 1/4-inch slice of ribeye, blackened if you prefer, topped with provolone cheese and put on a 6-inch hoagie bun with a side of homemade horseradish sauce.
I have, actually. I need to try some other things, but it's so good, Maybe I'll eat something else with it next time.
The steak quesadilla is the second top seller, followed by the Philly cheesesteak with bell peppers, onions, and cheese. And then the Frito burrito, my personal favorite, with chili, cheese, and Fritos all wrapped up in a flour tortilla and grilled.
I had the Philly with the green peppers and onions and horseradish sauce. That was just, wonderful.
Kurt does most of the cooking himself, using his beef along with spices from Scott Farms, a local vendor. There's also a selection of the mixes and dips for sale, like in this dessert, Scott's Rockin' Fried Pie, a cheesecake ball covered in graham crackers and then air fried. For Kurt, the food truck is a labor of love and a way to preserve his family's legacy of providing quality food to the community.
I made a commitment to my grandpa before he passed that I would continue the farm. My grandma on my dad's side owned a couple cafes, late 60s, early 70s, and I didn't really know her, but it touches my heart when I cook. That's why I do it.
I think it's so unique because not only can you get food from his truck, but you can also purchase the dry products that he sells and also the frozen beef.
The trailer holds 2 freezers full of his individual cuts of USDA-inspected meats, from steaks to ground beef.
They love the quality of the beef. They love the fact that they can just go to the trailer and grab it, the frozen beef and go home. They don't have to run through the grocery store.
He's a go-getter, and so he's always has something going on and something new working for, just making the town better.
At the end of the day, it's, if we can get the bills paid, I'm not here to get rich. I'm here to enjoy life and provide for people, and that's what we do.
Discovering Oklahoma in Piedmont at Rockin M Meats, I'm Deanne Stein.